Here we're reviewing the YMYP solar panel crimping tool kit. Comes with the crimper, a wire stripper, 2 spanners, and 9 sets of connectors, MC4 connectors, plus the metal crimp inserts to go in the connectors. I've got some 4mm squared cable here. The wire strippers first. Gonna take about 3/4 of an inch off here. We'll do that for the other 4 pieces here. Crimp inserts. These have a male and a female. As you can see, one of them is thinner and one of them is thicker. Crimp tool here comes with a ratchet on it and locks fully closed. With a squeeze, you can open it up. And we have labels here for 2.5mm, 4mm, and 6mm squared. Giving the inserts a little squeeze on the end will make it easier to get it lined up in the crimp. The end of the cable will be here within the barrel, and the crimps come up to the end of the insulation. We've got it in here most of the way so that it's lined up within the teeth. You can see we have wires all the way up here to the barrel. Connector crimp is wrapped in and around, and we've got a nice firm connection. In this case, we want to make sure that we have both a female and a male connector on our pair of wires. The MC4 connector itself. So if we take our spanner with the notches at the end, we can slide that over those 2 snaps, and now these pull apart easily. Slide our end cap over. Slide our gasket over, and then slide this connector all the way in. You can see down the barrel, the metal crimp connector is slotted inside there. Put your gasket here, then screw the back on. 1 spanner to hold this, and the other spanner to slide over the back, and you've got a secure watertight connection. Since we have a male socket on the blue line here, we'll put a female socket on this end. And here's our completed cables. We can test the connectivity. Volt-ohm meter. And there we go.